I'm going to put a taste of something on it.
Okay? She's going to put a taste of something on it. You cannot say what it is. We will come around.
If you think you know what it is, you raise your hand.
If you get it right, you get to stand up and you'll go on to round 2.
And you guys have...
So we stand up?
If you get the answer right, you get to stand up because you'll go into round 2 on this.
Okay. All right.
How about they just dip the fingers?
Oh, good idea. And then, but
Put a little scoop on their finger for them.
but you can't put it in your mouth till everybody has a scoop.
And you can't say what it is.
No.
If you know.
Yeah. Don't sniff it. Keep your fingers down. Down low.
Got this.
Keep your fingers down low.
Chocolate milk.
I already think I know what it is.
Don't stay out loud. If you stay out loud, you're disqualified.
No. With your egg? Oh yeah, I saw that.
Sit down. Don't smell it.
Survivor?
Dad, where's the bar?
Just keep reminding him of it.
Exactly.
You, dog food, Spenry, can't think of any more brands, anybody? Frisky, right there. Fancy bees. That's all cat food, but still.
Sit down.
Hey,
It
get a
could be
cold one
cat
ready.
food.
Now what do you guys
Huh?
Now what do you guys eat?
We have no
Cat
idea.
food, dog food, pedigree. So what do we do?
When I say no, you guys are going to taste it. If you think you know what it is, you raise your hand and hold the
If you
hand.
get it right, you get to go to round 2.
Yes,
You get stop! What are you doing?
cheater!
One ready for me at
All right.
the finish line.
Now listen.
I'm gonna speed.
When you think you know what it is, you raise your hand and you will tell us in our ear what you think it is. If you're wrong, you're out. If you're right, you move on. I'll let you hold that.
Champagne.
Own after.
Go. My second.
You know what it is?
You're out. You're out.
Nope.
You're out.
Katie, go for it.
You're out.
Kind of want to finish it now.
You're out. Did you?
Oh, cheater. Chad, boss. Chad decided to skip now.
You're out.
Is everybody out?
Chad, you're a cheater. B.
But I knew so I can move.
You're the oldest guy.
Nobody got it.
All right.
So we all lost. Nobody gets Christmas.
You're all back in for round 2. Nobody
Okay.
got it.
Back in. Everybody
Wash
in.
your fingers.
Diane, tell
I'll tell him at the end.
She'll tell you at the end. Okay, get back to mine.